Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to install Git on Windows. For this, go to your internet browser and type download Git. Gitscm.com is the official website, so you can click on this link or just click here and it will take you to the download links. Now, based on what kind of operating system you have, you can click on appropriate icon. I'm going to install on Windows, so I'm clicking here and it automatically started downloading the file. Okay, my download is complete, so I'm going to click on this icon to run the executable. Just click on next button, just keep the default options as it is. Okay, my download is over. I am now going to launch Git Bash. Git Bash is a Git client for Windows. You can also run Git commands from your Windows command prompt, but I'm going to launch Git Bash. So this is your Git system. You can type in Git Bash here as well, and this is another way of launching that. Okay. Here I had a very small font, so I went to options and then click on text and click here, and you can increase the font size. By default it comes with that very tiny font. I don't like that font, so I just increased it to 16. Okay, and here you can type your Git command. So here it's recognizing Git command and it is giving you all the options. You can also run Git from Windows command prompt by typing cmd here. This is Windows command prompt. This was Git Bash, this one is Windows. And if you type in Git, it will show you all the Git commands. So you can operate either using this or Git Bash. Okay, that was all about installing Git on Windows. Thanks for watching.